Okay. All right, today we're gonna talk about place value and expanded form. This should be pretty easy, hopefully. But basically, so each digit of a number has a value and a place. So basically, I just wanna make sure you understand the difference in value and place. And so, go ahead and write this number right here in your composition book and underline the 4, just like it is here. Okay, so just write this number right here and underline the 4. Okay, so it says each digit of a number has a value and a place. In the number 14,350,000, the 4 is in the millions place. Okay, so that's what place it's in. It's in the millions place. So you want to write this number and then you can just put an arrow to that or whatever you want to. And that's the millions place. But because it's a 4 there, its value is 4 million. Okay, so the difference between place is just where is the number. And then because it's a 4, it's 4 million. Okay, so that's the value. So that's the difference between place and value. And so I've added those words up there to the wall. So pretty easy. You just see what place it's in, and then that gives the number its value. Okay? So let's try a couple of these. Okay, so this first number here, somebody give me the place that the 2 is in, and then give me the value of the 2. So what place is it in? What value, Brian?
It's in the thousands place, and the value is 2,000.
Right, it's in the thousands place, so its value is 2,000. Okay, what about the next number? What place is that, and so what value would that be? Harrison?
It's in millions.
It's in the what?
10 millions.
It's in the 10 millions, and so how much is it worth? 70, yes. It's in the 10 millions place, so its value is 70 million. Okay, what about the next number, Candace? You don't need to write these other numbers down. Just that first one as an example. You don't even need to write these down. We're just saying these aloud. So
The underline is 300,000.
it's in the 100,000s place, so its value is 300,000. Yes. And then what about the last number there? What would be its place and its value, Harrison? Million, so it's worth?
5 million.
It's worth 5 million, exactly. Yeah, you just need to put that first number in and then say that the millions place was where the 4 was, and so it was worth 4 million. Yes.
So I put this down here. Like, I put, that's what the number was.
I'll look at it in just a second. Okay, so numbers can be written in expanded form. Okay, so we've talked about word form and we've talked about standard form. So expanded form is where you add the values of the digits to get the number. And obviously with a big number, you're going to have a long expanded form. So write this number in your composition book, this number right here, 57,258,250. Okay, so write that number down. Okay, and then we're going to write the expanded form and then just put expanded form next to it. So you know that that's what expanded form is called. So again, because it's a big number, its expanded form is going to be long. So, and on your homework, you're just going to fill in the blanks. Like it's going to be missing some pieces of the expanded form so you don't have to write it out that long. And then just put that it's 50 million plus 7 million plus 200,000, excuse me, plus 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 50. Okay, so expanded form is just where you add all the values together to show the big number. And then we'll do a couple of these. And the only one you need to write down is this one. And then just put expanded form.
Wait, is it plus 8,000?
Yeah, it's plus the whole way. So 50 million plus 7 million plus 200,000 plus 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 50. So that would be expanded form. This is basically basically taking a number and expanding it out, making it, adding all of its values together. And then you're done writing your composition book after you write that.
I have homework that I need to turn in that I forgot to turn in, but I was finished with it, the one that you checked.
Right.
Can I turn it in?
I'll check it while you're doing a game in a minute.
You checked it though. You already checked it.
Then you just leave it in your notebook.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's do a couple of these. So you can just say them out loud to me. So like, how would you say this in expanded form? This first one, Grayson.
7 million plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2.
Exactly.
And expanded.
That's exactly right. Okay, what about the 67 million one? What would that be in expanded form, Dean?
60 million plus 7 million plus 200,000 plus 50,000 plus 3,000.
Exactly. Okay, the next one's actually not that long in expanded form because a whole bunch of it has zeros. So, Cannon, what would you get for that one?
9 million plus 60 million plus 1.
Got it. Okay, what
Wait,
about the
not
next?
60 million, 60,000.
What, which one? Yeah,
I
60,000,
said
right,
not
60,000.
million because that was only 9.
Yeah, it's 9 million plus 60,000
Yes.
plus 1. Ryan, what'd you get for the next one?
40 million plus 5 million plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 5,000.
That's it. And what about the last one, Emily?
3 million plus 200,000 plus 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 30 plus 3.
Exactly. Okay, so for this last thing we're gonna do, you need your whiteboard. And so we're gonna do a thing where you're gonna guess my number, and you'll have a couple of these on your homework. So I'm gonna give you some clues, and you're gonna guess the number. Okay, so the first thing is it's a 7-digit number, so what I would do is put blank, comma, blank, 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 comma, blank, blank, blank. Because you know that's how it's gonna look if it has 7 digits. Okay, if it has 7 digits, you know it's gonna look like that. Blank, comma, blank, 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 comma, blank, blank, blank. And then you can just fill in the blanks with whatever the information is. Okay, so I'll give you a clue for each thing. The value of the digit 7 is 700. The value of the digit 7 is 700. Okay, so fill that in wherever it would go to make it 700. The greatest digit is in the millions place. The greatest digit is in the millions place. Okay, and remember that the digits go through 9 because beyond that it's digits. So the greatest digit would be 9. So the greatest digit is in the millions place. The digit 1 is next to the digit in the millions place. The digit 1 is next to the digit in the millions place. The value of the digit 8 is 8 tens. The value of the digit 8 is 8 tens. The value of the digit 3 is 3 ones. The value of the digit 3 is 3 ones. The digit 5 is in the thousands place. The digit 5 is in the thousands place.
Is the last one gonna be harder?
The digit 6 stands for 60,000. The digit 6 stands for 60,000. Okay, so what would the number be? Cannon?
9,165,783.
Yes. 9,165,783 is what you should have gotten. And you'll have a couple of those on your homework like that, where you'll have a digit, a number that it'll give you different information about the digits and you'll fill those in. Okay, so you can put both of those things up. And we